JP Morgan once said, the first step towards getting somewhere is to decide you are not going to stay where you are. And this is exactly what the NIPM Kerala chapter has decided. Not to stay where we are, but to amplify and strengthen the community and the board. With the successful completion of their first virtual event in Turn to Learn, here comes yet another innovative and empowering virtual initiative by the NIPM Kerala chapter setting up their next milestones. Welcome to the inaugural session of Launch Her project aimed at empowerment of women coming to you all the way on the International Women's Day 2021.
To start our proceeding, here we have the most delighted personality of NIPM Kerala chapter, Mrs. Shema Sandeep, Chairperson DNI Cell, to welcome you all.
Thank you, Vaishnavi and Shweta. So, a warm good evening, dear all. Respected Lal John sir, Chairman of NIPM Kerala chapter, Dr. Anil Kumar sir and Saji sir, Vice Chairman, Anish Aravind, Secretary, Dr. Augustin sir, Additional Secretary, Ravi Dev sir, Treasurer, our dear senior lady members, Jaya ma'am and Surekha ma'am, and respected senior members of elected committee and our dear launcher team. I believe in being strong when everything seems to be going wrong. And in my journey with NIPM Kerala chapter, I have caught up with an aspiring community of women and men who have really strived to launch her. And eventually that became one of our upcoming project. So as I look beyond today, I see a generation of women, mothers, wives, daughters, CEOs, professionals, a clan of wonder women who are really striving forward to shape the destiny of the entire civilization. So first, proudly, let me all wish you a happy Women's Day. As HR professionals, we all must be over familiar with the term, with the phrase, breaking the glass ceiling. But as I thought about it, I could figure out that our D&I project, Launch Her, is our own way, or the NIPM Kerala chapter way of shattering these glass ceilings and handing over the wheels of power to an empowered generation of young female minds. So with that note, as the chairperson of D&I Cell and on behalf of the entire launcher team, I welcome you all to this inaugural ceremony of Launch Her. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for that wonderful welcome address. We have been hearing about this project from social medias and other platforms. However, what is this project all about? Now, let's hear from the most exuberant person in the team, Mr. Jerry Abhi Chituran, the project manager. I hereby invite you, sir, for a short briefing about the project.
Thank you so much, Shweta, for that introduction. Though I'm a little shy and a little worried about that adjectives which you have used. Thank you, Shema, for setting the context and for that wonderful welcome address. I'm having butterflies in my stomach after your wonderful rhetoric, because I'm not that prepared for a terrific discourse here. So by the respected Lal sir, other dignitaries and leaders of the chapter, wonderful young team of Launcher, other key stakeholders from the chapter, I wish on behalf of the team, in the capacity of the project manager role, which has been bestowed upon me by the DNI cell, I wish each and every one present here a happy International Women's Day. Women's Day is not all about women. Women's Day is all about men as well, the way in which we start to think, the way in which we act, and the kind of changes which we want to effectuate in our lives to bring people or the women folk in our fraternity and families, in fact, launch her or launch them, launch women. So let me just cut to the responsibility which has been assigned to me. So I have been asked to brief about the project which I'm going to do, and I'm going to share my screen. I just want to raise a hand from somebody to see if you're all able to see my screen. Shweta, I'm seeing you on my screen. Am I visible with my presentation? Yeah, go ahead. Okay. So launch her, we conceptualized this project somewhere around the fag end of January. We wanted to launch it in February, that got extended. We wanted to launch it in February, that got extended. And now we are finally in March, wherein, what a day to start it off, International Women's Day. So Launch Her basically is a project, and the tagline of the project is from shadow to showstopper. So the tagline says it all. We are trying to bring people, women in HR fraternity who have all the abilities but might be shadowed because of their career stumbling blocks or organizational environments or kind of their own glitches wherein they are shadowed. We are trying to bring them to the forefront and create an opportunity for them. It is basically a tribute to HR women change makers in our community. So this is intended for HR women from Kerala fraternity. The project has been named as Launch Her. The sponsors for the project, with respect to a project management point of view, is NIPM Kerala chapter's diversity and inclusion cell. I'm so happy that diversity in itself has got a huge meaning, and the kind of crowd we have here, the heterogeneous crowd in the project team itself is testimony to how NIPM is approaching diversity. Otherwise, I would not be being a male member, I would not be heading this project had it been diversity only on papers, right? It would ideally have been, headed by, or the mantle had to be given to a woman. But then that was the kind of mentality and methodology which we followed. We wanted to have diversity in all means and ways, in letter and spirit. So I've been dropped in as the project manager. We have a huge project team doing the rounds here. Initially, we started off with Feb to March, but then we are now at the cusp of March to May, and the project spans across women across Kerala. So the Launch Her journey is basically, what is it all about? It is all about, we are giving an opportunity for women in HR fraternity to showcase their skills, build this personal brand, fast track their career progression, have mentoring and coaching opportunities, reach out with a wider audience with the kind of technical know-how they have. We are providing complimentary assessments for them, master classes by thought leaders, and a complimentary NIPM annual membership. The program is intended for seasoned HR professionals as well as rookie HR professionals. So we have kept it open for anybody with minimum 3 years of experience to professional women with less than 40 years of age. Organizations also are stakeholders for this project, because if they want to bring in their women to participate in the program, they can participate by enrolling from the corporate fraternity as well. So if you look at the Launch Her journey, this is basically a small flow chart. So we have announcement and promotions happening. So the launch of the project is happening today. We have been doing a lot of pre-launch activities on social media, which has gained us a lot of traction on our social media channels. In fact, as a matter of fact, we just crossed 1,000 followers on LinkedIn yesterday. So hats off to the marketing team headed by Prasita and the young, vibrant intern team to have pulled off a lot of things there. So we have just crossed 1,000 followers on LinkedIn. So that all those pre-launch activities are happening today. The launch happens after which we'll be inviting applications through Google Forms. Once the applications start coming in and once we freeze on the applications, we'll have initially a boot camp and a master class, which would give them an idea about how the project is going off, followed by which we have master classes, two key master classes. See, if you look at it, in most of the cases, organization-wide competency-based assessments are still on paper. Not many people know about how competency assessments are happening. So we have roped in one of the most acclaimed international assessment providers, Harrison Assessments, to be a assessment partner with our project, wherein we are giving a free assessment for all the participants, plus a masterclass on how the Harrison assessment works. Second masterclass is on digital learning, Upside LMS, which is a coveted name when it comes to learning management systems, a winner of a lot of awards, partner with SHRM. Upside LMS has been roped in for the project. Upside LMS usually associates with only SHRM, HR Kata, and People Matters, and we are so lucky to have them in the NIPM fold as our learning partners. So once all these master classes are over, we will start inviting video logs or videos from our participants. We'll be giving them a particular topic based on which they'll have to do a small video, and that will be a screening mechanism. So if the video is in line with can I request others to be on mute, please? Can I request others to be on mute, please? Okay, better. So once the guidelines for the videos are given, the participants can send us the videos. If the videos are screened, they'll go to the next steps of the process on the third part of the flow chart. If they are not screened, we are not leaving them there. We are giving them one more masterclass by a thought leader in HR. And finally, we are giving them a ceremonious exit from the program. Once people are into the assessment program, you have 3 levels of assessments happening for them. One is a scenario-based questionnaire, scenario-based one-to-one interviews. There will also be an online quiz on Kahoot platform, followed by a group activity wherein we are trying to give 5 teams comprising of 3 members each, which makes it 15 members who has been screened, and they'll be asked to do a presentation. So these presentations will be going live on our social channels, which will enable us to get better traction on our social channels as well. And based on all these aspects, there is a final evaluation and the awarding of the winners. The prize money for the launcher project has been pegged at 25,000 rupees for the winner, 15,000 rupees for the first runner-up, and 10,000 rupees for the second runner-up. We have a very vibrant team here, mostly women, so it's a very big team. So we have just picked up the leaders of the group. So as Shweta was rightly mentioning, the most exuberant Shema Sandeep, who is the chairperson of the D&I committee. So she is hemming the project on behalf of the NIPM Kerala chapter. So she acts as an interface between the project team as well as the chapter. She's also been doing a lot of work to get partnerships involved on the finances part, and she has been already able to bring in a lot of money into our purse strings. So good job done on that front by Shema. And Shema is somebody whom we all run into when we are stuck. So which eventually happened today in the morning as well, wherein we got stuck with Shema was the one who kind of salvaged the crisis for us. I've been roped in as the project manager to the group, which I have already mentioned. I'm sorry. Okay. And then you have a very important stakeholder in Prasida Prasad. Prasida is helping me on the planning and stakeholder management stuff, and she also takes care of the marketing initiatives. So she's heading the marketing division there. So all marketing collaterals which you see out here, right from social media to all these flyers and banners and everything, is her baby. So she's actually taking care of the marketing and communications. And moreover that, she has been helping the project manager on all the design aspects of the project. Ramya Ravi, another key stakeholders. In fact, I should say it was because of Ramya Ravi the project took shape. So Ramya, during one of our catch-up calls, among us, she suggested, say, why don't we do something like this? We need to create something for women. We need to create something of a platform. And that's when it kind of, maybe probably in the fag end of November or December, just after a millennial HR discussions. And then, Shema went in and did a lot of homeworks, and that's how the project came along. Ramya deserves a big round of applause from this fraternity, because it was her ideas, and she has been, we all three of us on the design phases and a lot number of discussions late into the nights, having little kids at home. She was able to juggle a lot of things. So Ramya has been a partner on the planning and design side. Anand AS, though he moved into a new job these days, and was just getting a traction of how things are happening here, he was very happy to come and take up the leadership and assessments and evaluation front. So he's doing a really great job in bringing out the original concept the design team has had on the evaluations part. He has a huge team there supporting him on the evaluation criteria for both all the three modules of the quiz and the online platform discussions happening there. So he's hemming the affairs there. Minas Subair is basically a product of our Intern to Learn project last year, and he was one of the award winners. He's helping with all the creatives, so he's basically acting as a support to Prasita. So whatever Prasita and the design team conceives, she's the one who brings it out. So all these videos and collaterals, what you see, this guy is the man who works behind it. I mean, the project team cannot go ahead without having directions. There are times wherein you need to have strategic point of thinking coming in. Anish Arvind, as always, has always been with us, acting as an interface between us, correcting us when the best example of Anish Arvind is, I would say, he's the one who knows how to use the carrot and stick policy pretty well. He takes the carrot whenever it is required. He takes the sticks whenever it's required. So sometimes in the mornings I get carrots. Sometimes in the mornings I get sticks. So that happens with everyone in the team. So thanks so much, Anish, for being the strategic advisor to the team. Ajesh has also been supporting us through his messages and passing on the messages through Shema and Anish. So what are the key takeaways for the women HR professionals? As I said, they'll be able to enhance their visibility. They'll be able to build a personal brand. They have an opportunity to be coached by thought leaders, reach out to a wider audience, have annual memberships free, and get complimentary assessments and master classes. As far as corporates are concerned, they have an opportunity to showcase their superwoman, market their diversity and inclusion initiatives, build a talent pipeline, because it might be when the corporates send their women folk here, that's when they get to know about their latent talent pipeline, and employer branding as such, and learning and assessment opportunities for their team. So this is the gist of it, why the project is conceived, what the project is, who are the stakeholders, who is the team, and who gets what is the benefit for people who are participating, what is the benefit for the corporates, and what is the benefit for an IPM Kerala chapter. So that's more or less from me. I'm so hopeful that with the blessings of all the seniors and gurus here, we should be able to effectuate what we have planned and make the project a huge success. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Over to you, Shweta and Vaishnavi.
Thank you, sir, for such a great elevator pitch. Let's all sincerely hope that our plans and expectations bear fruitions in the days to come. Everything needs to have a great start and need to be blessed by the captain of the ship. Who else better than the honorable chairman of the chapter to unleash the floodgates of the glory and the success of this project? With a loud round of applause, of course virtually, let's all welcome our honorable chapter's chairman for the inaugural address.
My dear NIPM colleagues, especially the women HR professionals, it's a great day for the Kerala chapter, especially on this International Women's Day. I'm so happy that our members, especially the younger group, has come out with a unique project for the benefit of women entrepreneurs on this International Women's Day. This will provide a platform for all the women and women HR professionals to showcase their skills during the next few months. The team led by Shema and Jerry has been doing a wonderful job. I'm not naming all. Everyone in the team has done a wonderful job. And I thank you on behalf of the Kerala chapter for the excellent efforts you are taking and the wonderful benefits you will be giving to the women HR professionals of the state. I am extremely happy to inaugurate this project virtually. And I now over to the tech committee for the technical launch of the video and the project website. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful speech. As sir has consented, on behalf of him, we are bringing on your screens the Launch Her logo, followed by the website. Wasn't it amazing? Hold on, it's not the end. Now, we are delighted to launch our new website.
Hope you all enjoyed it. Now let's hear it from Mrs. Jaya Jacob Alexander, DNI Self Advisor.
Hi, good evening, everybody. At the outset, a very hearty congratulations to the entire team of Launch Her. It's a beautiful, the website itself was so exciting. The music added the josh to it. It is an extremely interesting initiative the entire team has taken up. Actually, I'm not very surprised. Right from Knowledge Hunt days onwards, this team has been exhibiting their enthusiasm, skill, and whatnot. They have been contributing a lot towards introducing newer and newer initiatives for the NIPM Kerala chapter. I wish the entire team all success in conducting this project most successfully and choosing some really vivid winners in this project. Thank you so much. In fact, it's lovely to see so many young women participating in this project, right from Vaishnavi, who was there in the logarithm program, and I forget the name of the other participant. But so nice to see all of you youngsters taking so much of interest and participation. My hats off to Kshama Sandeep, Ramya and Prasita, who is doing a wonderful job. And it's really lovely to see more and more women participating in these activities. I'm sure Anish and Ajesh, they are doing a lot to promote diversity in the group. Wish you all the very best and happy Women's Day to all of us.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, I call upon Dr. Surekha Sakriya, DNI Cell Advisor, to address us.
Good evening, team and IPM. Long time. I feel great and thrilled to be part of HR launch her from shadow to showstopper initiative. It's really amazing and a very, very creative one team. I was spellbound with the presentation. Today, as we celebrate women in leadership, I'm sure that this contest will challenge, fuel, and ignite the women minds and help them develop and tune their leader behaviors. I'm also sure that the experiences and learnings that the contestants carry will benefit them to encounter work situations better. Congratulations for this wonderful, wonderful idea. When one more International Women's Day ends, let us salute all those men and women who respected and believed in women and their talents and launched them to every single profession that we see today. Let us also not forget those women in our country who toil day and night for their basic needs, those women without the right to education, right to movement, or right to their own body, even after 72 years of independence. As individuals and as a professional body, let us work towards an era where International Women's Day no longer exists and when gender parity, gender equality prevails. Congratulations once again and best wishes for the successful execution of the project. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. We now have one of the most vibrant member of the project team, Mrs. Prasida Prasad, the project marketing head, to deliver the word of thanks.
Honorable Lal John Sir, Chairman of NIPM, Chairperson of DNI Committee, Ms. Kshama Sandeep, Vice Chairman, Mr. Sajeevi Matthew and Dr. K. Anil Kumar, Treasurer N.V. Ravidev, Secretary Mr. Anish Aravind, all the members of DNI Committee and members of the EC Committee, and of course, my dear launcher team. Good evening to all of you. Being a project member of the Launcher Initiative, I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion of Women's Day and inauguration of Launcher event. First, I would like to convey my sincere thanks to the Honorable Chairman. No program can be wholesome or complete without having the presence and inspiring words of our Chairman. On behalf of the entire NIPM fraternity, I thank you, sir, from the bottom of my heart for supporting us for this wonderful initiative. Here, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to Kshama and Anish for being wonderful mentors to me, Jerry, and to the entire launcher team. Jaya ma'am, Surekha ma'am, your eminent presence has indeed made this event a memorable one, and we unitedly thank you for your encouragement and support. I'm also very thankful to all our EASY members for their remarkable presence and constant motivation. I would indeed be failing in my duty if I do not express our gratitude to all the coordinators of subcommittee, HR Tech Committee, and of course, all the beautiful ladies who are part of our DNI cell. I would like to thank our office bearer Raviji for his wholehearted support to make this program a successful one. We are also thankful for his sincere assistance at any point of the day. An event like this cannot take place overnight. The wheel started rolling weeks ago. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a wonderful group of members who have supported us in making this happen. To only name a few would be so unfair, as we are a strong team of more than 20 members. Last but not the least, we thank you all for taking your time out in cheering and motivating us. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we would like to open the floor for any queries or feedback before we wrap up.
Anish and Jerry, why not we introduce all our team members? Jerry, Anish.
Yeah, but please go ahead. If there is a picture available, you can share that.
We don't have a picture available.
Everybody can raise their hand so that.
So basically,
virtually.
yeah, at least I'll, as I said, there are basically 2-3 teams here. So one is basically the
I
design
think,
team.
Jerry, excuse me, let Prasita is the head of marketing now. Let her introduce her team.
Go ahead.
Yeah,
Of
one
course.
by one.
Right. My top priority person, Minas Subair, whom I have been calling him day in, day out, even at 10:30 in the night. So he is my right hand, I would say. Of course, there is Vaishnavi and Shweta there, who have been introducing this program. Thank you. You have been doing a very wonderful job. And of course, I have Zishan with me. Jerry is, of course, there. I also have Sonia, whom you would have already seen like 2-3 years back. So she's a part of this marketing initiative, but she is not available as on today. But she's been helping me with Facebook and other related activities. And of course, Jitin, who has been helping me with Twitter account. So that is my marketing team.
Okay. I think the evaluation and things are handled by a panelist team. It's handled by Anand. Anand, could you please introduce your team?
Hi, good evening, everybody. So my team consists of Shema, once again, for juggling with a lot of things, and Jitin and Srilekha. So in fact, I would really say that, Jitin and Srilekha is the one who is setting the pace and, taking the team. So just by saying that I am leading this, it doesn't mean that I'm doing the work. So the team is taking the role pretty well, and it is hats off to them for maneuvering things in spite of their busy schedules. And thank you, Jitin, Srilekha, for the huge contributions that we're going to see in the days to come, and Shema, of course, for being a very good leader, and with Jerry's and Anish sir and chairman support. So there's a lot of names to say. So thank you so much once again, considering the limitation of time. Thank you.
2 other people who are going to support the evaluation team is Deepthi and Anuradha. Can you please make a thumbs up? Yeah, you can mention.
And Anuradha will be joining our team from henceforth, with respect to connecting the evaluators for the webinars and interviews, both rounds. So looking forward.
Okay.
Thank you, Shema, for the support.
Yeah. The HR quiz that will be using Kahoot platform, that will be handled by Ramya, Srilal, and of course Anish is there. Ramya, Srilal, are you there?
If they have videos, I could have spotlighted them. I don't think they have.
I will come in when required. Thank you, Shema, for the invite. We'll be happy to support.
So they will be starting their work now onwards. And who else, Jerry? Have I left? Yeah, Mubarak and Vineet, right? They will be supporting us with the panelist vouchers and all. The gift part, they will be handling it. Have I left anyone, Jerry?
Not really. I think probably most of the team members are covered. I think, when Vaishnavi actually opened it up, it was also to have, if there is a feedback or anything from the fraternity out here. We have a lot of senior members here, so only 2 people had been given the opportunity for felicitations because of paucity of time. So if at all, if somebody wants to have a word or two, or if if there are any gray areas, if they won't have something clarified, that can be done as well at this moment. Probably that's it from our side. Anish, back to you, please.
Okay, so I will. I know Girish sir and others have put some comments here. I'll reach out to them and take their advice on certain things. And of course, Lal sir and team, I think.
Overall, fantastic, Anish.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Overall, fantastic. Very good presentation and very good idea. And I am today to launch it. Even though it got right, you are launching it on the right day. Okay.
Yeah. Shema and team have been and have not left any stone unturned. So they've been at it for the last, I think, 4 weeks or so now. More than 4 weeks. In fact, we launched it in I think end January itself, and then we launched it. So thanks to the.
I assure that I am tempted to extend some sponsorship support. I will definitely work it out and tell you. Positive. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Very good.
Appreciation to all the team. Very good initiative, and also I think we are moving towards or value adding towards the purpose of the organization. And there is a program which add value to the purpose of NIPM itself. So, and as time passes or the changes happens across the industry, I think we need to actually learn and do what is relevant for the organizations or our member organizations or the HR fraternity. So that way, really amazing that good innovative initiative. Appreciate all the entire team members of this project. And many more projects to come as we give the freedom to the young minds. Definitely the more amount of innovative projects will come. Congratulations and best wishes to all of you for a wonderful project.
Thank you so much, sir.
Anything else? Closing remarks from you would be good, because this is just the beginning. We are now we are excitedly looking forward to the next 1.5 to 2 months ahead. So let us know if you support in any manner. Feel free. You can use this EC group and others to kind of people. I know people are all wholeheartedly supporting us on this now, and we are really on the way. So so all the very best is what I would maybe will. Okay. It is just thank you, Lal sir. For of course, Lal sir has been a major pillar of support, guiding us all in this effort, making sure that we've ticked all the dots and we've gone by the NIPM legacy. So thank you, Lal sir, for your guidance as always. And this is just a beginning for us. There's a lot of. I think there are lots of moving parts to this, at least 4 or 5 which I have counted, and there are many more. And it's wonderful to see that Shema and Jerry has put a huge team together, very diverse team by itself. So it's exciting. We are really, really looking forward to this. Let us close now, and since I'm sure the marketing team will use snippets of this as well for promoting the event, and I've already shared it with some of the National Council members and others. So we're excitedly looking forward. Really nice that we, as Anil said, we are giving back to the community. It's this is the part of HR fraternity that we get wonderful idea, and it's a great teamwork. So looking forward to it. Thanks everyone, and all the very best to the DNA team and the project teams involved here. We are excited and very, very excitedly looking forward to this journey together. Have a nice evening ahead.
Thank you all for the wonderful feedback, and thank you for joining us on this very special day. Here we, Vaishnavi and Shweta, signing off for the day. Wish you all a great evening. Thank you.